Hey guys, so I'm going to be showing you in this video how to use Google Drive. So you're going to click on New from Drive, and then More, and then Google Drawings. And it will open up a drawing for you. So once it loads, you have all these different options. So let's just go through the options really fast. You have your select tool, and that'll let you drag things around. Then you have your different types of line tools here. So you have just straight lines. You can draw a bunch of straight lines, you know. We have arrows. Arrows are really nice. Nice to have. Let's say I want to move these around. That's when I use my select tool, and I can move things around. What's also cool, if you saw when I was moving that around, when it's red like that, that's showing that it's lining up. So you can see that the end of my lines were lining up with the select tool. Another thing that I can do then is connectors between my lines. So if I want this to connect to that, it'll do that for me. I can also do really nice curves. And I just have to click. It'll make curves for me. Made a cool shape there. I can also do, you can draw polygons as well here with that. And then your last one is scribbles, where you can scribble all over. So if you want to get rid of a shape, something you've done, you click on the selector and then you just click backspace and you can delete everything. Another thing, let's say I accidentally did that. I can do redo and get that back, undo, and I get my things back. Okay, undo and redo. Those are right there. Now, let's say I do not like the color that this is. I'm going to click on whatever shape it is, and then up here on the fill color, I can totally change what I want my fill color to be. You can even click on custom and change to a custom color that you like. Now for every shape and line, you can also change the outline color. So now I have orange, okay? Another thing you can do is you can change the thickness of lines. So see now how my outline is thicker? I can also change the thickness. Oh, let me go back. I can change the thickness of that line if I like to. You notice that my menu goes away if I don't have something selected as well. So you can even dash your lines if you want to dash. So maybe I want my line to look like that instead. That's pretty cool. I can move the start of my line over. Okay. Another really cool tool here then is the shapes. So if you want to have different shapes, we have smileys and hearts and suns and different geometric shapes. I also have different really nice arrows. So I can do an arrow here. I can change how thick it is. And as you can see too, it's showing me now that like my height is the same as this polygon that I made over here. And then remember, I can go back and I can change the fill color. I can change the line color to be the same. What's cool about arrows is and shapes like that is you can spin them around. If anything has this circle on the top, you can spin it around too. So that's pretty cool. You have callouts, so it can look like speech bubbles, and then you even have math equation symbols over there as well. So another tool here is text box. So you can type. I'm just going to write the word type, and once I've typed, you can see that I have this menu up here with what I can do with my text, just like if I'm typing in a doc. I can change the font, I can change the size, I can change how it's aligned. I can put bullet points in there. I can do indents. I can do everything I want there. I can even change the color of the text. Okay, so that's pretty cool. And then the other one is image. So you can upload images from your computer. So if you find a really good image on Google, for example, what's easiest though is if you click on search, and then you can search for pictures. And here's a cool picture that I want. So I'm going to click on that, click on select, and then my picture is going to go in there. And now you may say, uh-oh, my picture's on top of everything else. You just right click, go to order, say send it to back. Now everything's on the back. You can also make your picture smaller. You can swirl them around like this. You can crop a picture. So if I only want, this part of the glacier here, I can do that. You can also click on image options and like make filters almost like Instagram. So that's pretty cool. So that's how you use Google Draw. Make sure to always title your drawing as well.